What's the meaning of court-martial? Court-martial. Court-martial.
Court-martial. Court-martial. A court-martial is a military court that tries members of the armed forces who are accused of violating military discipline. The court determines guilt or innocence and imposes punishment if necessary. The result of a court-martial can include a range of disciplinary actions, from a mild reprimand to imprisonment or dishonorable discharge. The decision of the court is final and binding. Court-martials are an important tool for maintaining order and discipline within the military and ensuring that members uphold the standards of conduct expected of them.